What should I do if I need to travel without my dog? That's a tail twister, huh? But don't you worry, I've got the perfect game plan for when you have to leave your furry BFF behind. First, find out a trusty friend or family member who knows the doggy drill. They've got to know all about your dog's meals, walkies, and the important belly rub schedule. No luck? Look for a positively awesome pet sitter or a boarding kennel with good reviews and happy pups. Before you jet off, make sure you leave a piece of your heart, a shirt or blanket that smells like you, so they don't get the lonely blues. The big reveal? Always make sure your dog is in safe hands with someone who'll treat them like the top dog they are. Follow or subscribe for more tips.